Bun. Opa, opa, opa. Opa, opa, opa. Opa, opa, opa. Opa, opa, opa. Deci MG. 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 Opa, opa, opa. MG. Opa, opa, opa. Okay. Okay. Opa, opa, opa. Opa, opa, opa. Puxa. Hop. This cage looks so awkward, it's just so heavy, trust me, it's got loads of stuff in it. Don't tell me he left his car in the same place like before. I've got to tell him to move his car, you know. You know what, when he comes back he can take it from there, you know. Rami, not too bad yourself? Good, good, good. He's coming now. Probably I'm gonna come on a different day to collect all the cages. Anyway, I gotta tie this. More. Rami? Probably tomorrow. Did you order tomorrow?
I will be doing, yeah.
Yeah, tomorrow, yeah.
Okay, bro.
If I'm not in, I'm not sure if I'm in tomorrow.
Yeah.
But if I'm not in, tell the other guys from today,
yeah.
Tell to come tomorrow to take it.
Okay.
I got 6 customers today, so that's why it's full of stuff.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry, man. You know, the last time I came and I took it.
Yeah, I know.
So it's no problem. This one is frozen, look.
Yeah, yeah,
2, 4, 5 boxes frozen.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Invoice.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry for being late, but I had to wait for the paperwork to come.
No problem.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I know you expected this a lot earlier, but yeah. Yeah? Mate, ring them now and tell them for tomorrow to take it.
Okay. Thank
Yeah,
you.
so they will know in advance. Yeah? Have a good day, mate. See you.
Now let's see where they've sent me. Oh, that's so cute, ain't it? Absolutely gorgeous. Magnificent, I would say. Look at this, mate. Where I supposed to unload it? Tell me. Tell me about it. Tell me about it. Just another one.
Yeah, she's not. I'm not allowed to go in the shop, that's why I told you to come outside. I don't know, that's why I come first to tell you. I have to give you this, yeah? Take.
Well, next time, don't bring this from the front, it's dangerous.
Yeah, I know, but they didn't tell me. I don't know. Yeah, count it and tell me if it's okay, yeah? Count it, tell me if it's okay, and I go in the back. Sorry? Written on the back. Yeah?
I think my English is clear enough for everyone to understand me. Now, where is got the back of his shop then? Here, probably. I don't know, mate. I think I'm just gonna take the pallets down and he can take it from there. I've got my proof of delivery. I count them since I left. For his peace of mind, I already told him I'm not allowed in the shop. If he wants to come here and take his stuff, then happy days then.
Yeah? My friend.
Oh, you're not bringing it inside?
No, I'm leaving the stuff outside.
Leave it on here.
On here, yeah. They call you?
Yeah.
They told you?
They called me. I did.
They call you?
Yeah. Gonna reverse it.
Yeah, I will reverse the load. It is so- Okay. 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 Zombie meter. Okay.
Now I shouldn't be doing this, but that's the only way to do the job safely, I suppose.
So how you on the pallet?
Yeah, there's a pallet here.
Yeah. Mate, it's okay?
Yeah.
Like this? Sorry for that, they didn't tell me where to go.
It's okay, don't
Yeah. This camera here, it's only speeding or is traffic light as well?
Not sure.
They catch you on the red as well?
I'm not sure.
Because I was in the middle of the junction and then I turned right. I thought that is in the front. I'm not sure if it's click. That's why I'm...
I've never seen it. I've never seen it click anything
yeah,
like that.
yeah. So doesn't require any signature anymore, just name. Your name?
Parish.
Parish.
P-A-R-E-S-H.
Parish.
Yeah.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah.
Thank you, man.
Yeah.
Have a good day, yeah?
You too.
This is going back, yeah? Okay.
He didn't even ask me if I'm fine, if I'm safe. But what can I say? Everyone does mistakes. And I just done a mistake at some point. This place is very unsafe, I would say. But that's the only way you can do it, as you can see. Cat with 9 lives, I would say.
I still have to go forward a little bit. Huh? The lift? Let me try to see. I'm afraid not to damage it, that's why. Now I know. Next time a lot faster. Okay, man. Thanks a lot.